Hey there viewers. Welcome to the Healthy Organic Recipes channel. Coughing can be absolutely terrible, especially when we are trying to sleep at night. The following ancient breathing exercises will help you to stop coughing immediately using some natural breathing exercises at home. 1. The first thing you should do is drink a cup of hot water. Drink this as hot as you can stand it. The steam will help to lower the inflammation. 2. After you do this, blow your nose and get rid of as much mucus as possible. 3. When we cough, we exhale air at a speed of around 80 kilometers per hour. This ruins our normal breathing cycle, causing us to cough even more. 4. To stop this, begin breathing only through your nose. Learn to cough through your nose and take long breaths for around 8 to 10 seconds. 5. This allows your breath to turn to carbon dioxide, and this will reduce the urge to cough again. 6. The more you do this, the easier it will become. There will be a strong urge to cough through your mouth. Be sure to resist this and continue to breathe slowly and deeply through the nose. 7. This regulates your breathing pattern and balances your oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. 8. Try to breathe in smaller amounts of air and breathe out deeply. The slight oxygen debt will help to calm the lungs and throat. 9. Relax. Take your time and allow your body to settle. Do not rush the process. 10. The hot water we mentioned earlier will help to break down sticky mucus and phlegm. 11. Do not by any means use sugar cough remedies. These are short-term fixes which will make it worse for you when you try to sleep due to the extra mucus that the sugar causes. If you experience a cough for longer than 18 days or are in a lot of pain, be sure to get medical advice from a doctor. Get well soon. And I hope you have a relaxing night's sleep. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated.